Hey, it's Joshie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. If this is your first time stopping by, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you have been here for a while, thank you, I appreciate you so much. Today's video I'm going to be doing 5 quick and easy hairstyles for relaxed hair. These hairstyles don't include braiding, they don't include any weaving or cornrows, because if you're like me, you need this kind of video because I can't cornrow.
Want it easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting, 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 waiting. Waiting, 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 waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. No, I don't mind you asking why I let you go. It's just way too much for my heartbeat, so I'm laying low. Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's keep waiting, 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 waiting. Waiting, 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 waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. It's hard to do, but if you love something, let it go. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
So those are 5 simple hairstyles for you. This is the last one. If you like these, if you try any of them, please tag me on Instagram, let me see them. I think that'll be so cool. I'd love to see people recreate these looks. I mean, they're very simple, they're very easy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Comment down below any hair care tips you have, and I hope you found this video helpful. That's all for now, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
If you tell me what you say something, if you tell me what you say something.